Hey guys, our innovation title is function graph. We have 8 group members, which are Ming Hui, Chang Jia Min, Chung Jia Heng, Teh Tze-Rui, Ooi Wei Feng, Regin, Tam Su Yan, and Jo Xuan.
First of all, I will explain the introduction video. This research is motivated by creativity, which has not been a priority in learning. In fact, teachers' creativity can actually be a support to grow and develop learning skill of students. Being innovative and creative in using technology and information media is required skill in the teaching and learning process, especially during the situation of COVID-19 pandemic.
Now I will talk about the concerning issues and objective. The creativity of history teachers is very important in learning, especially during PJJ in the COVID-19 pandemic situation, because students are very easily getting bored and tired. The creativity of teachers in learning, especially math or math teachers, is very necessary. It aims to make students interested in math or math lessons. math or math teachers are required to have creativity in all fields related to math learning, as well as the use of various math learning models, methods, and media. Teachers as educators can help students to master 21st century skills.
The following method can make it easy for us to remember this function graph. First, a person points south with his right hand, meanwhile his left hand point to northeast, means a straight line graph, y equals to x. Second, a person points both of his hands outward, means a quadratic graph with a U shape, y equals to x squared. Third, a person points to north with his right hand and point toward south with his left hand, which means cubic graph, y equals to x cubed. Fourth, a person points to east with his right hand and point toward west with his left hand, which is mean trigonometric graph, y equals to sin x graph. Fifth, a person points his right hand toward the southeast while his left hand point to southwest. It means a trigonometric graph, y equals to cos x graph.
The sixth method is a person points his right hand toward the northeast. Meanwhile, the person points to southwest with his left hand. It means a trigonometric graph, y equals to tangent x graph. The seventh method is a person points his right hand toward the southwest. Meanwhile, the person points to northwest with his left hand. It means a trigonometric graph, y equals to cotangent x graph. The eighth method is a person curve around the face with his right hand at the same time. He uses his left hand curve in front of the body. Means reciprocal curve graph, y equals to 1 over x. The ninth method is a person curve in front of his body with his right hand coexisting. He uses his left hand curve around his face. It's definite a reciprocal graph, y equals to -1 over x. The 10th method is a person straightly pointing outward. It explains an absolute value graph, y equals to modulus x.
11th, a person pointing downward straightly, it means an absolute value graph, y equal to negative modulus x. 12th, a person points southeast straight, use his right hand, meanwhile his left hand points straight to northwest. It's definite a straight line graph, y equal to -x. 13th, a person point slightly towards east at the same time point straight to the south using his left hand. It means a logarithm graph, y equal to log a to the power of x. 14th, a person point towards east coexisting point straight to northwest using his left hand. It means exponential growth graph, y equal to a to the power of x. The last one, a person join his both arms together above his head to form a circle. It shows a circle graph, x squared plus y squared equal to r squared.
Answer these questions. How is this graph? This. Then, what is the equation?
This technique helped me to memorize the type of the graph. It's very useful to me.
Thank you.
Lastly, it shows that the creative learning through drawing method is one of the reforms that teachers can do during the class. Because creative learning is a learning model that can support 21st century learning strategy. Name the concept of 4C communication, collaboration, critical thinking and creativity, which makes students able to securate creative thinking skill and skill to produce ideas or student work, and can encourage the student to use creativity, imagination and involve their natural curiosity.
This is our innovation project.
Thank you.